boy K-Swab. We down here at Stirred Up ATL. Live, we got the live band tonight.
I'm not just on the Housewives. We're coming down here, we're gonna get it going on a little bit. He said, give it up for Robbie Gibbons, y'all.
I was eating jerk chicken, it's very hot.
I got the pleasure of interviewing this man. Right now we're Stirred Up in Atlanta and we're having a ball. They have live band, live music. This is Project X-Ray. Chris, tell us a little bit something about what you got coming up next.
Well, I got a new single coming out in July called Episodes, working with a real amazing producer that I found out of Gary, Indiana, named J-Track. Me and Robin Gibbons are here working. Yeah.
Tell the people about what you got coming up.
We got a new single called Episodes, which is coming out on E1, my label through E1, like a lot of artists in my day are doing, Faith and all of us.
Right.
So just excited, man. It's chapter 2, ready to get back to work. I've been acting a lot, but I haven't been singing a lot. Right. So I'm excited to put some new music out and see what happens.
Definitely. Well, check this out. I know back in the days you helped put out like Albie Show. How many other people you helped put out? Or you were with to an extent?
But you know, like we help each other, man. You know, Albie, I was there when Al came out. Faith Evans was definitely just a lot of people, man. Patrick, we got a chance to I definitely got a chance to see Vincent Herbert and Kayama Griffin and Ike Lee, 3 great producers, and Vincent Herbert's become obviously a supernova in the business. So I got a chance to impart in their careers and watch them grow and stuff. That was exciting. A lot of people, man. Colin England, a lot of different people that were around in the 90s, and Immature, Marcus Houston and his brother. I'm, you know, proud of them. They're like grown men now, still doing their thing. So it's just been an amazing journey, you know what I'm saying? I've been doing this now 25 years, so I've been blessed, man.
Definitely. Well, I definitely got to thank you for the opportunity tonight to get to know you right quick. You from New York? From New York?
I'm from the Bronx. You from New York too?
Staten Island.
Okay, Staten Island in the house. Yeah. BX in the house.
And Boogie Down is in the building.
BX at one time for the camera.
Definitely. Well, again, thanks for the opportunity. This is K-Swab here with Chris. Represent Stirred Up Atlanta, live entertainment just for y'all.
That's for Lupus.
What websites you got that we can catch you?
Oh, y'all could follow me on Instagram at ChristopherWilliams_BX, Twitter at Real Men Sing, and on Facebook at The Real Christopher Williams.